getting this package failed updates dependency or conflict validation error on Windows 11 or 10. In this video, I'll show you simple steps to fix it and get Windows updating again. Solution 1. Repair and reset the app. First, right-click on the Windows Start button. Now click on Installed Apps. Find the affected app and click on the three dots menu. Select Advanced Options. Click on Repair. After that, click on Reset and wait for the process to finish. Solution 2. Scan and repair system files using command prompt. Now move to the next solution. Search CMD in the Windows search bar. Click on Run as Administrator. Click Yes. Now copy the command sfc/scan now from the video description. Paste it here by pressing Ctrl+V and press Enter. Wait until the process reaches 100% and completes. After that, run the next command. Copy dism/online/cleanupimage/checkhealth from the description. Paste it and press Enter. Now copy dism/online/cleanupimage/scanhealth. Paste it here and press Enter. Wait for the process to complete. Next, copy dism/online/cleanupimage/restorehealth. Paste it and press Enter. Wait until the process finishes. Once everything is done, type Exit and press Enter. Now restart your PC and try updating Windows again. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy fixes.